Hi everybody, it's me, Becky, Youth Services Librarian here at the Longview Public Library, and today I'll be unboxing my library sampler. If you remember at the end of our instructional video for library samplers, I filled out my own sampler form, and I indicated that I wanted a small sampler, 5 items, and that I was open to most genres. I like character-driven stories. I really like stories that feature witty banter, complicated friendships, and just like a little bit of magic. I said I did not want to read Moby Dick. Okay, so this is like Christmas morning. There's 5 books in here. I have not seen them or opened them. I had 5 different people on staff pick the books for me, and I don't know, like I said, I don't know which books they are. I don't know who picked what. I think that'll be part of the fun, is guessing who picked what. I also asked Jacob to wrap each book individually, and he did. Okay, so this is my first one. Oh my gosh. This is so exciting. Okay, I don't know this book. This is called Among Others. It won the Nebula Award. It's by Joe Walton. Okay, I think I know who picked that one, but I'm gonna save it in case I'm wrong. Okay, this is the other one. This is The Meadow by James Galvin. It was a 1983 notable book. I think I know who picked this one too. This is my 3rd book. I'm getting better at opening them. Lord of Light. This says it's a legendary science fiction classic by Roger Zelazny. Did it win an award? It doesn't say. I'm not familiar with that one. This is going to be really fun. I did really hope that I would get books that I hadn't even heard of that I would just love so much. Okay, what's this one? Oh, Cork Dork, huh? By Bianca Bosker. And I feel like this could be a trick. I feel like it could be a trick. I have heard of this one. That's one of Chris's favorite books. And last but not least, this is the only hardback book. Song of Achilles. This is by Madeline Miller. I forgot her name. This has been like kind of on my list of books to read, but I haven't read it. Okay, so I'm gonna go home and put on my Christmas pajamas and spend a whole week reading these books, and then you guys can tune in to the library podcast, Your Shelf or Mine, and I'll be talking about them with the people who selected them for me, and I'll let everyone know what I think and what my favorite book is.